Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You got the new 2018 Milwaukee 8 Fat Bob. Here's your pipes. Okay, S&S, legendary name, legendary performance. As you can see, mega quality, really well made. Give you a nice deep sound. Absorption baffle, not straight through. So nice deep bassy sound. Shouldn't lose any power at all. Should be a lot more powerful. S&S, very well known for making high performance parts, engines, etc. Complete ECUs, their VFI system very good as well. If you're interested in any parts for Milwaukee 8s, we are putting them on our new website, customcruisers.eu. So if you want S&S or you want Milwaukee 8, we've got the Rick's parts, Rick's fender kits, etc. A video on there of some of the parts we do. Give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.eu or the old site customcruisers.com. Thank you.